EmbER, or Embodied Experience Remotely, is a system for improving social connection in remote communications by sharing interoceptive sensations like breath and heartbeat between communication partners. By sharing these sensations through haptic and audio feedback at a barely conscious or unconscious level, we find significant improvements in feelings of connection toward another person.